So you might be looking at your strawberry plants right now and wondering why there are no flowers. You know, the plants look healthy, the leaves are green, they seem to be growing well, but the blossoms you're waiting for never appear. And of course, without the flowers, there will never be any berries. So many gardeners run into this problem, especially when strawberries are grown in containers. So your plants grow leaves, sometimes even runners, but the flowers never show up. You know, it can be very confusing because the plants look like they should be producing. But here's what most people don't realize. When strawberries fail to flower, the problem usually isn't just one thing. It's often a small number of growing conditions that are working against the plant. So here on the farm, we've seen that there are 4 factors that are responsible for most flowering problems. Survival stress from inconsistent watering, lack of nutrients, not enough sunlight, and the most common cause is variety. So first, let's take a look at variety. Now, not all strawberry varieties are designed to produce fruit the same way. In fact, strawberries fall into 3 main groups. There's June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral strawberries. Now, understanding the difference between these 3 types often explains why flowers are missing. So June-bearing strawberries are designed to produce 1 large crop each year, usually in the late spring or early summer. These plants spend most of their first season building strength. They grow leaves, roots, and runners, but flowers may be limited until the following year. And if you're growing June-bearing varieties, it's completely normal for the plant to grow well, but produce few or no flowers during the first season. So ever-bearing strawberries behave a little bit differently. They usually produce 2 main harvests during the growing season, often one in late spring and another in late summer. And these varieties can flower earlier than the June-bearing plants, but the production still depends heavily on good growing conditions. So they typically will not produce fruit the first season. Now, the day-neutral strawberries are the varieties most capable of producing continuously when the conditions are right. So instead of responding to the length of the day, like the other strawberries, they produce flowers whenever the plant has enough energy. So I have day-neutral plants that will start making berries 8 weeks after they're planted, and then they're going to continue to make berries all season long. And this makes them excellent for containers for gardeners who want berries the first season. Now, over the years, we've noticed that gardeners often plant strawberries without even knowing which type that they are growing. The plants may be perfectly healthy, but if this variety is a June-bearing or ever-bearing and they lack flowers during the first season, this can seem like a problem when it's really just the nature of the plant. The second reason strawberries may not flower is survival mode. When plants experience stress from inconsistent water, they shift their energy away from production and towards survival. So instead of producing blossoms, the plants focus on protecting itself. So consistent moisture helps the plant stay in production mode when flowering can occur. So the third factor is nutrients for the plant. So flower production requires energy, and that energy comes from nutrients in the soil. So when the nutrients are missing or unavailable, strawberry plants may continue producing leaves but struggle to form the flowers. So healthy living soil moves nutrients through the root zone so that the plant has the energy that it needs to bloom. Now, if you want strawberries that actually produce the first season, our free guide shows the precise system that we use here on the farm to get a reliable harvest right away. The link is in the description below. All right, the fourth factor is sunlight. Strawberries are sun-loving plants, and they rely on strong sunlight to create the energy required for flowering and fruit production. So when plants are grown in too much shade, they may continue to grow leaves, but delay or completely stop flowering. So if you'd like to follow the complete strawberry growing system that we use here on the farm, go ahead and download the free guide, 8 weeks to your first strawberries, the high-performance strawberry growing system for first season harvest. You can get flowers in about 4 weeks and ripe berries in about 8 weeks from planting, and you can find the link in the description below.